Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking this class for class 9th ICSE Candid Biology for ICSE students class 9 sources of waste exercises review, or you can say the short notes. Some of them you have asked me about the short notes of this chapter. So here I am going through in the form of the questions. First one, what is domestic waste? Give example. It is the waste generated in homes like paper, plastic goods, batteries, glass, etc. is called domestic waste, right? Next, what is tailing? Tailing waste materials generated after the extraction of minerals from the ores. What is e-waste? The e-waste is not biodegradable and most of this waste cannot be recycled either. E-waste is generated from the discarded electronic devices. Next, what is threshing? Threshing is a beating action that separates the seed from the husk and stem of the plant. The process is called threshing. Next, name the places that generate the biomedical waste. Who generate the biomedical waste? Hospitals, clinics, and nursing homes generate infectious biomedical waste. Differentiate, define biodegradable waste. Biodegradable wastes are the substances which can break down and decompose by the microorganisms. What type of waste is released from the thermal plants? Thermal plants releases gases along with the smoke as gaseous waste. Tons of ash is left behind as waste in the thermal plants after the burning of coal. It is very fine and also called fly ash. I hope it is clear. Next one, what is alarming about the nuclear waste? Nuclear waste remains radioactive for the sense for thousands of years. Such a waste can bring harm even to the coming generation. This is most alarming about the nuclear waste. Name the type of waste generated from the iron and steel industry. From the iron and steel industry is large amount of ash and dust is left as waste. Many acids like sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, etc. are released, and large amount of smoke is or gaseous waste is also released into the air. What are tanneries? Tanneries are the factories where leather is made from the skins of dead animals. Which type of waste is generated from the agricultural activities? Agricultural waste includes both natural or organic and non-natural waste. The crop residue or plant remains is the main waste generated from the agricultural activity. Threshing machines release large amount of straw and dust as waste, which affects severely the asthma patient. Is animal waste helpful to farmers? How? See, animal manure is a rich source of organic matter and nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, etc., essential for health promoting plant growth and improving soil structure. Waste materials can be processed into biofertilizers, which slowly releases nutrients into the soil. It increases soil organic matter, enhances water retention, and supports beneficial microorganisms in the soil. Next, what is municipal waste? Discuss its method of disposal. The municipal waste includes the solid and liquid waste generated by homes and offices. In solid waste is disposed of as garbage in the containers, and liquid waste is released as a sewage in pipelines or open drains. They dispose, you can cut this word, they dispose of the solid and liquid waste in the low lying areas or water bodies. Solid waste is dumped in the open dumps or landfills. Sometimes the solid waste is disposed of in the incinerator. What is incinerator? Incinerator. An incinerator is a furnace like device that uses controlled high temperature burning to destroy waste materials, reducing their volume and recovering heat or energy. See, when we say liquid waste, they are released by the tanneries. It is very toxic and gives out foul smell. So it can pollute the groundwater also. The liquid stage is there, it is over there. Next, define biodegradable waste. The substances which can break down and decompose by the microorganism. It is biodegradable. What type of biodegradable waste is generated from the kitchen? Biodegradable waste generated from the kitchen, like fruits and vegetables, peels, leftover foods, etc. What are complex biodegradable waste? The complex biodegradable waste material does not decompose easily and has resistance to breakdown. Such materials remains in environment for a long time and as such may prove harmful. What are non-biodegradable waste? Give examples. Non-biodegradable waste includes that material which does not break down or decompose in the soil. For example, plastic goods, polythene bags, synthetic clothes, metals, chemicals, radioactive waste, etc. Why is styrofoam harmful to the environment? See, styrofoam fragments into microplastics which contaminate soil, water, and air, making them difficult to remove from the environment. So, it is very harmful to the environment. Next question, describe the waste generated from the mining operations. See, a lot of waste is generated in the mining operations to reach the underlying mineral deposits in earth. A lot of topsoil has to be removed. In some cases, the overlying rocks are removed. A lot of dust is also released into the atmosphere. Tailings is another form of waste. The waste material generated after the extraction of mineral from the ore. Mining of uranium is risky because of radon gas that is released during the mining. How can farmers make use of animal waste? Farmers can use animal waste along with other plant materials can be used in a compost to make manure. The manure can be used in fields to promote the growth of plants. Manure is also suitable for health and soil. Write a note on biomedical waste. See, this waste is contaminated with infections, agents, and is biohazardous. It can cause the spread of several diseases. Hospitals, clinics, and nursing homes generate infections, infectious waste which can be proved hazardous if not properly treated. This waste includes tools like knives, scissors, razors, needles, anatomical parts. ये सब चीज़ें जो नर्सिंग होम में ऑपरेशंस के दौरान निकलती हैं. Soiled dressings, expired drugs, cotton, pathological waste like blood, body parts, and tissues can cause infections. I hope the important points I have covered in the sources of the waste. Any doubt anywhere, you can ask me in the comment section. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Again, we will meet in the next video. Thank you.